I am Ziny, and I want to tell you about my mom. My mom is a nurse. She works at a hospital, helping people every day. She always wakes up early, even when it's hard. I know she's tired, but she still smiles when she comes home. I admire her so much. She wears a white uniform. And when I see her like that, I feel proud. She's always so calm and kind, even when things are busy. Sometimes, when I ask her about her work, she tells me about the patients she helps. She doesn't talk much about it, but I know she cares a lot. When she comes home, she doesn't just rest. She makes sure I have my homework done, and she helps me with anything I need. Sometimes, she even cooks dinner while answering calls for work. I don't know how she does it all, but she does. She is always there for me, no matter how hard her day has been. My mom teaches me to be strong and kind just like she is. She says, "Molly, always be kind to others, because you never know what they are going through." I try to remember that every day. When I grow up, I want to be as caring and strong as my mom. Even though she works hard, she always has time to listen to me. When I have a bad day, she makes everything better. She's my hero, and I am so lucky to have her.